In this session, we are going to discuss about the string builder class in Java. If you want to understand the string builder class, I recommend that first of all, you should go and watch the video string buffer in Java on my channel, where you will understand what is a string buffer class and what is the concept of mutable and immutable objects in Java. Okay, so once you go through with that, it will easy for you to understand the string builder. So for example, here you can say string builder, the string builder class is used to create the mutable string. It means the purpose of string builder class is to create the mutable string, means the string which can be modified. Okay, so here I want to tell you the short that mutable objects means the object once created, and after that if you will try to change the state, all the value of that object, you can change it, that are called mutable. Okay, and if you cannot change it, that is called immutable. So a string builder class is also a example of mutable string, like the string buffer class. Now the thing is that the string builder class is same as a string buffer class, except that it is non-synchronized. Okay, so here I will show you this thing properly with the help of a proper structure of these two classes. For that purpose, let me first of all show you. I'm just creating a reference of a string, you can say buffer here, a string buffer class. I'm just creating a reference. Okay, I want to show you the structure so that I can show you that whatever you can say, I'm saying that is string buffer and builder, both contains the same type of a structure, same type of methods. Only difference, what is the difference I want to show you? So I will say string buffer SB. Okay, and now I will show a string builder. Okay, this is builder, string builder. Okay, so let me write SBU FFER, something like that, and here I will write SBUILDER, string builder here. Okay, so now this one semicolon. So now I will show you the internal structure of this class. Okay, how I can show you? Let me press the control button and click on string buffer. So this is the structure. This is the dot class file of the string buffer. Let me detach it so that I can show you properly. So let me detach it and open it here. In the same way, let me open a string builder here. And now let me detach it. So now I will show you the comparison in these two classes. Like first of all, I will show you that what is the structure of this class. So if you will see that, like you can see the syntax of a string class, public final class string buffer here. So here the name of the class is string buffer and here the class is string builder, but you can say that both are doing the same thing. This is extending abstract string builder and implementing appendables, realizable, comparable, and char sequences interfaces. Same thing is done by the string builder class, extending the abstract string builder and then implementing appendables, realizable, comparable, and the char sequence. So you can say structure is same. Now, if we talk about the in terms of functions, so the functions are also same. So I will take the example. Let me take the example of, you can say that example of you can say that insert function. I can take the example of insert function. So let me write insert. Okay, this is the insert function here. And now let me show you the insert function in below class. Okay, Control F, and now let me show the insert function here. So you can see that if you see both are same, you can say this is the insert function. Number of parameters, you can say one is int, index, then char, then offset, and then length. Same, you can say the name of the function, everything is same. Only the difference is that in this class, string buffer class, every function is using a keyword in the function signature that is synchronized, and in string builder we are not using such type of keyword here. Okay, so you can say that both are the same classes, both contain the same type of method, but why Java is created two classes? So that whenever you are using the multi-threading concept, at that time, if you want to use the string in the multi-threading concept, because at that time synchronization is needed. Synchronization means whenever two objects try to access the, you can say, same function, in that case the values can be, you can say, it should not create a problem. Okay, because if same thing is you can say accessed by multiple persons together, like multiple object, it can create a problem. So in that case, in the multi-threaded environment, synchronization is needed at that time. the person should use the string buffer class, because the string buffer, every function is synchronized, created for the multi-threading environment. Okay, and string builder is not created for the multi, you can say, thread environment. So now I will show the example of insert. In the same way, you can take the example of other, like let me find delete, delete, delete function. So if I find the delete function here, you can see that this is a syntax. Now let me find it in below class. So now again you can see that syntax is same, delete, start, end. This one again, the difference is synchronized. Any function you want to check, any function, every function is same. Every function is same. You can say that. Like I told you, the difference is that in the string buffer class, every function is using the synchronized keyword. That's why every function in string buffer is used in the multi-thread environment. Okay, so on the basis of that, you can use it. Okay, now at the same time, let me close it, and I can show you from here also. Like if you will say string buffer dot, you can say that list of functions here. Every function you can say that I'm doing it here. You are getting f and so many functions here. Now if I will make a dot of string builder, you will see the same function here. So here I just want to show you that really these are the same function. Actually, you can say both classes are same. Only difference I told you the in terms of synchronization. Okay. Now I will tell you the example of one of the function, so that you can see the functionality also. And second thing is that I want to tell you, some person told me that they have a confusion in the delete function of the string buffer class. Okay, which is I have described in the previous video. So let me describe it here also. So let me describe with the help of string builder. Okay, so let me delete this thing, and now I am doing string builder equal to new string builder, this one, and I'm creating a object here by passing any value here. So I told you it also contains the same type of constructors. You can say, let me show you this one. Same constructor we have available in the string buffer here. Okay, okay, same type of. Now let me call the, you can say, delete function. So when you see the, you can say, string builder delete function here, let me do string builder dot, and you will see the delete function. So in the delete function, you can say we have a start and we have an end. So what this delete function do? You can pass the starting index and you can pass the end index, and it will delete the, you can say, alphabets for you. Okay, starting and end. So here the important thing is that if I will give 0 start point and end point, I will give 2. So it means here the important thing is that it will start with 0, but the end index will be less than the end. If you are giving 2, it will consider only the 1. If I will give 3, it will consider 2. Means the end index parameter, whatever you will give the end index, it will consider less than 1. Means you can say end minus 1. So now let me show you. If I'm going to print this value, you will get the final value will be there 0 to 2. It will remove 0, 1 and 2. You can say position character, means 0, 1 and 2. So now let me print, and you will see the output, which is the desired, means D. Okay, so you can say 0, 1, 2. If you want to remove this D also, so it means from 0 to, you can say, 4, then you have to write here, you can say, oh sorry, 0 to 4 you are saying that. If I will give it here, you can say 4, then it will consider 0 to 3, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now D will also be deleted. So it is considering from 0 to, you can say, index position 4 it is, but it will consider less than 1, means 3 here. So now let me run this, and you will get the output, which is double EP. Okay, and now you can say that just for, you can say, just I want to show you that functionality is also same or not. So that purpose, I will do one thing. I will take the example of a string buffer here. Okay, so that you can see that, okay, not only the number of functions, everything is same. So SBUFFER is string buffer here, and I'm giving the name here class string BUFFER buffer. Okay, so here below I'm creating the object of string buffer here, then string buffer dot delete, and then string buffer dot delete. So you can say that here I'm creating as builder. This is object of string builder. Same Pradeep is given in the object, and here I'm creating the object of a string buffer. Same Pradeep is given, and when I run the function, you can say that both will give the same answer, because function, not only the function, internal implementation, everything is same. and only difference I told you. So now I think you understand that string builder class and string buffer class both are same. Okay, so now you can say only the difference is string buffer is, you can say that the string buffer is synchronized. Okay, you can say a constructor, I already told you string builder, string builder. Now you can say that here I've already shown you the same function practically also. So I think still you have any doubt in the string builder class, you can put your question in the comment of this video. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe it. Thank you for watching.